Dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
Yay! Now put it in. You put it out. Oh my god. Something quicker. I'll guide the cameraman, right? Cameraman guides the camera.
Stop pushing me!
Oh my god. Now I'll put stuff in it. It doesn't sound good. Oh, I have a firework somewhere.
Declan is now proceeding to get a firework.
Mark is hiding behind a fly.
Mark is afraid, hiding behind a plant. Sean is afraid and moves away from the burning microwave. Hey, Declan runs with a firework. Sean now retreats behind the plant that Davies was once hiding behind. Sean fears for his life, but in the name of... Declan hides behind a table. Oh my...
The fuse is lit.
The fuse is lit? Oh my ass!